Alright guys, what's clapping?
Oh!
No, you didn't say it. Today we're...
Wait, turn around. Them cheeks.
Alright, so today I'm going to, it's day 2 of the over fender install. And I'm gonna start cutting today. And I'm gonna bust out the Harbor Freight welder on this thing and get ripping. Alright, so I got these super accurate lines. Gonna cut the very top one. Pretty nervous, honestly, because there's literally I'm never gonna be able to go back once I do this, so. Yeah, Jack's getting the grinder, I'm gonna get ripping. This is it.
Yeah, this is it.
I'm terrified. Alright. Fuck! Ah! Alright guys, we're starting to get the Bondo, so right there, you know, proves that they were fucked, so that's why we're cutting them. That's why. Got a pretty good line so far, gonna take the wheel off. And we found this fat ass chunk of Bondo, so wasn't lying, so no one talk shit, alright? Dude?
Get some. Get some.
I'm getting some. It's all cut, and I'm starting to use 10 snips to cut these slits, and then I'll fold these up, clean all this off with a grinding wheel or something, and then bust out the Harbor Freight welder, weld it, and smooth it all out. So I'll do a little update once all these are cut and I start folding them. Got all these little slits cut, gonna get all this down to bare metal, fold them up, and then start welding them. Jack's tearing his car apart right now.
Dude, don't show him in there, man. It's embarrassing.
It's pretty clean, so
No.
there'll be more content on his car soon. He just doesn't want to record it right now.
It's just embarrassing, dude. Look at this. It's a mess.
Yeah, I mean it's alright. Alright, so started welding with this Harbor Freight welder. It sucks ass, but it's turning out pretty good. Jack, can we get a close up of this?
Yep.
I mean, you're not gonna see it, so you know.
Still gotta be cleaned up too.
It'll be good. Yeah, and I still got all these to do, so. Fill in this little hole, dog.
Damn, dude.
Update, everything is all welded. If it focuses. Not the best welds, but I'm gonna clean them all up, and then there's still some holes I need to fill. So I'm gonna do that, and then one side will be done. So it's been like 3 hours, and this is the final product for a Harbor Freight welder. It turned out pretty decent. I'm gonna primer it and throw some rubberized coating on it tomorrow. But the inside's all sealed, so I don't have to worry about shit getting in there. So it's pretty sick. Tomorrow I'm gonna do the other side, and that'll pretty much be it for now. So I guess I'll see you tomorrow.
Fuck yeah!
Alright guys, what's going on? Day 2 of the over fender like cutting of the wheel wells. Last night I just put the side on, and you can see I put the wheel on too. There's nothing that's gonna hit, so turned out pretty good. Gonna go to Home Depot later today, get some primer and some rust resistant coating and coat all that. So I'm gonna start on this side here in a little bit, and not gonna film too much of that because I already did this whole side. So yeah, we got the shit all taped off. B-Dog Webb's here, and he's gonna sand this shit and paint it. Got anything to say, Brandon?
Hey, I'm Brandon. I'm here to sand Austin's car.
Yeah. And he's got a burble tune, well, not burble tune anymore, Speed 6. So we'll show that off later. Alright, it's pretty loud in here, but I got this side marked.
What?
I'm gonna cut this shit, Brandon.
Oh, yeah,
I'm not gonna show too much of this side. Quick little update, car caught on fire since we started. Welding, and I guess there was like some foam sitting down in the inner door panel or whatever. Yeah, so we put it out with some water, and this side's almost done. Laying some fire beads with the Harbor Freight welder, as you can tell. Focus. And Brandon is measuring where I need to cut on my gas door. And then we're gonna cut the gas door, take this off, paint that whole thing, and yeah, that's pretty much it for now. So, Brandon's having a blast, right, Brandon?
Yeah, it's
so
fun.
Hopefully nothing else catches on fire, and we're gonna keep ripping. Got some primer on there now, all taped off. Just did a giant rectangle, and this battery's about to die, so I'm gonna throw some black on it. Quick little clip of that, and that'll be it for this this side. What do you guys think?
Yeah.
Brandon?
Yeah.
Sick. Alright guys, it's black. It's painted black. Brandon, you wanna show them?
Boom!
So it looks pretty good. It's still drying, obviously.
Let it flash.
Yeah.
It's flashing.
It's flashing. Got some sun chips, sponsored by them.
No, you're not. Shut up.
Yeah, dude, the color of the car. Where do you think I got the idea? So that's gonna be the end of this video. So I'm gonna do part 3 when I finish that side. And yeah. So keep that shit clapping.
Them cheeks.